Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Amazon Prime parental control issues. So let's just get straight into the video. The first you want to do is reset your PIN and remove restrictions. So simply go ahead and open your Prime Video application. Go to your profile, go to the settings, and this is where you can simply go ahead and turn off any kind of Prime Video PIN or change viewing restrictions, allowing higher age ratings. The other thing you can simply go ahead and do is just uninstall and reinstall your application, because that also fixes a lot of application issues. The final thing you want to try to do is check if there are any updates available. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for the Prime Video app, just like that. And once you've done that, click on the application and there's going to be a blue update button instead of the open button if there are any updates available. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.